Today we are opening the Rookie Explosion Box.
All right, so this is a limited batch. It's volume 30 by Philmington. Before that, we do have a pretty cool, massive
Do not bend
photos to open here. I'm going to open the top because you guys have been kind of waiting to see what these are.
Wait, can I see the card?
So, the card up top is from the OC dugout. That might give some people a hint what's in here. It's from Anaheim. Who do you think we might get an auto from Anaheim?
Mike Trout.
Oh, Mike Trout's way too expensive to get an autograph.
Joe Adele?
Joey Dale.
He's from Louisville, right?
He is. We already have a Joe Adele auto. So I'm gonna cut that.
Wait. Let me guess. Shohei Ohtani or a It can be a Dodgers player.
It is. Oh,
99.
one more.
It's a Dodgers player.
It's a Dodgers player.
Jackie. Mike Trout. We got a Mike Trout autograph.
You told me
Mike. I was just messing with you. It is a Mike Trout autograph. I actually got two in here.
See, there is a Dodgers player.
There's not a Dodgers player under there. It's actually another interesting baseball.
He's robbing it from the 396 mark.
But we do have, for us, our first.
Is it wow?
It's really hard to see. Mike Trout auto. So we'll frame that up. And that'll be a pretty cool addition to our collection. You guys like it?
Mm-hmm. I want to see if they can guess who's.
Wow.
This is obviously not a real baseball player. This is a Charlie Sheen. Is his name, is the actor, and he was Ricky Vaughn, Wild Thing Vaughn. So that's a 16 by 20 photo. So pretty cool autographs to add.
Look, it's been graded.
Yes, they are PSA authenticated. So both are authenticated. Obviously we're done by the OC dugout. So pretty cool additions to our collections. We'll work on getting those framed up. And man, I think we got those back in, I think those are ordered in January. So, but let's move on to the other event.
Isn't it June now?
It is the Rookie Explosion Box, where we always get some awesome packs.
That's been 6 months.
Yes, it has been. It took a while to get ordered. All right, so today's lineup this month. Also, we see some 2021 Series 2,
I think I know what
2021 Series 1, Bowman, 2018 Bowman. We've got 2018 Series 1. We've got 2019 Bowman. We've got 2019 Series 2. We've got 2020 Series 1, 2020 Update, and 2021 Bowman. So that looks like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. So we're all gonna get 3 packs. And I think, was it Nolan?
Ron's going first.
Ron's going first. Ron, what you going for? You're going for the Series 2. And
I'm going for the
Nolan's
Series
going
2.
for the
Looking
Series
for the
2
guy on the cover of
2019.
the 2020.
All right, I guess I'm gonna go 2018 Bowman. And I get to go again. So I'll go 2019 Bowman.
I'll go 2020.
2021 Bowman. All right, you get to pick 2 there, right guy.
Who's in the updates?
Go ahead and just pick. 2020 Series 1.
Is it my turn now?
My turn again.
And Rye, you got one more chance.
Is that one more?
All right.
Take this one.
And so, who's opening first?
No, I am.
No
Is
one's
it the
opening
Randy
first.
Ross Arena in the update?
Yes. All right.
So let's see here. I'm gonna open
How about
both.
we open the 2019 Series 2 pack last?
I know, I
This is
was.
the most exciting pack.
And then I wanna open. I haven't opened Bowman yet, so I'm gonna open
The
Bowman.
2021 Bowman.
Yeah, I haven't opened this
You're
Bowman.
looking for a 2021 Bowman. You're looking for Austin Martin, Jordan, Maximo Acosta, Cespedes.
Ooh.
Bobby Wood Jr. is a good one. His dad was a Texas Ranger. So let's
Jose
see.
Garcia, Andrew Gimenez, Dylan Carson,
That's a nice rookie. Dylan Carson.
Miguel Cabrera, Max Kepler, Glaber Torres, Blake Snell, Christian Robinson, Jake Vogel.
So that's a first Bowman rookie. Oh, there's one of the ones you're looking for. Future Texas Ranger, Maximo Acosta.
Ronnie Machico, and Bobby Witt Jr.
Bobby Witt's
Yeah.
Junior's a nice card.
Is the first Bowman like the game we went to watch in Arizona?
Yes. 2021 Series 1, you're looking for Dylan Carlson, Joey Dale, the biggest. There's a lot of good rookies. Alex Mahone,
Eloy Jimenez,
Ryan Mountcastle,
Chris Davis, Freddie Freeman, Rafael Devers, Brandon Crawford, Chris Paddock, Stephen Matz, Mark Kahana.
Home Run Challenge.
That's mine.
Jorge Soler.
Los Angeles Dodgers, Garrett Richards, Jacob deGrom, Jock Peterson, who might be in, and Jacob deGrom again.
Yep.
He might be in the
What
series
those two are
2.
different.
He might.
There's
be,
one-
because he's a Cub
one-
now.
this-
One has an orange bell.
This is a league leader.
Yeah, one's illegal.
This made the
All right,
easy.
Ryan, why don't you go ahead and open your
Wait.
cards? You open that one last.
Oh,
Literally like last.
Yeah, we'll open that one last because it's got some of the biggest cards we could potentially hit. Might as well keep it suspenseful, right? So what are you opening first, Ryan?
And my 2020 update series.
Update. You're really looking for Randy Rosarina, Trent Grisham, and then the rookie debuts. Bo Bichette, Luis Robert.
Todd Frazier, Prince Inacina, Miles Straw, Nico Horner, Cameron Maben, Randy Rosarina.
All right, hit the Rosarina. Nice. That we actually don't have that one of him in
We
his.
have the Cardinals.
We got the Cardinals, but not his Rays jersey.
Sandy Leon, Dolvin Grillon, Alec Mills, Oakland Athletics, Bryce Harper, Matt Davison, Jero Diaz, and MLB All-Star Rivals.
All right. Nice. Hit the Rosarina, which is the biggest one you're looking for. So what are you
Yeah.
opening now?
2020 Series 1.
Series 1, 2020. Obviously, the biggest are Bo Bichette, Jordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux.
And Randy Rosarina.
And you could hit Randy Rosarina in his Cardinals jersey.
Trivia Rickford, Kenty Amaya, Mike Yastrzemski, Dansby Swanson, Seth Brown, Kenley Jansen, Gavin Lux,
Gavin Lux. There you go. Hitting the big
Stephen
rookies.
Strasburg, Orlando Arcia, Wade Davis, Joey Votto, Randy Johnson,
Back hit, yeah.
Sam Hillard, and then Ernie Hernandez. Is he doing like the splits or something?
Yeah, you don't do that at second base.
No.
All right, and then 2021 Series 2,
Two.
looking for Devon Hayes, Aaron Chisholm, Alex Kriloff,
Jazz Chisholm,
that's his name.
Dylan Chase, Jorge Blanco, Dean Kilmer, Luis Arias, Pavin Smith,
David Smith, nice, that's a good rookie.
Twins up the middle, players recreate namesake, Cincinnati Reds, Kansas City Royals, Aussie Albies, Aaron Judge, Edwin Rios, Keston Hira, a Jonathan. And
Jonah Heim.
I thought that was Sam Huff because it was the Rangers catcher.
Sam Huff does have a card in 2021.
Mitch
Series
Garver and Mitch Garver.
2. Nice. Good packs. All right, I'm going to open mine. We're going to start with 2018 Series 1. Looking for Walker Buehler's rookie, which would be nice. Rafael Devers, Ozzie Albies, Alex Verdugo, Jack Flaherty. So we've already hit some nice rookies, so might as well keep it going, right? Nick Markakis, Jorge Polanco, Eduardo Nunez, Luis Severino, Chris Davis, Eric Thames, Matt Joyce, Miami Marlins, Andrew Miller, and not Walker Buehler.
Was that 2017 or 16?
That was 18.
Okay.
Here is 2019 Bowman. We are looking for Wander Franco, Julio Rodriguez, and any autos or anything else we would gladly take. Wander Franco should be up in the big leagues very soon. Start with Josh James, Paul Goldschmidt, Yolan Makata, Christian Yelich, Will Myers, Ken Pillar. Oh, there's a Luciano first Bowman. That's a good one. It's a chrome too, so we will take it. There's a Brent Honeywell ready for the show. There's a Fernando Tatis Jr.
He doesn't have the long hair.
We will always take that. Yeah, he was young there. Austin Beck.
Where is this?
And William Contreras, and a first Bowman for Miguel Amaya. So this is really before Tatis was in the big leagues. I think he was still in the minor leagues at this point. So it's not technically a rookie because his first Bowman was earlier. But so here's 2018 Bowman, and what we're looking for in 2018 Bowman is Shohei Ohtani, Luis Robert, Royce Lewis, Adolis Garcia, Christian Pache, Mackenzie Gore. So a lot of big potential rookies in here. And we start with a nice rookie card of Walker Buehler. So we're looking for him in 2018 Topps. We found his Bowman rookie. Richard Urena, Parker Bridwell, Fetty, Tuki Toussaint. There is a Jack Flaherty, so probably technically some sort of rookie in 2018. AJ Puck, Adalbert Adeleze, Eric Partheno, and Greg Diekman. So some first Bowmans, but none of the ones we're exactly looking for. And that leaves Nolan
For the
in
big
your
stuff.
Series 2 pack. So looking for Vladdy Guerrero, Fernando Tatis, also Eloy Jimenez. So want to be careful with that pack there.
I'm opening it from the back so nobody sees what's there. I know the Tatis. Isn't there two versions of the Tatis?
Oh, be careful there.
I can't open it. Okay. Daniel Medigan, Carlos Tochi, Sanyola Perez, Rowdy Tellez, Up High, Down Low, Milwaukee Menaces, Jeffrey Springs, Zach Greinke, Travis Shaw, Alex Cobb, Nikki Delamacho, Dustin Fowler, Freddie Peralta, and Adam Colney.
All right, so no crazy hits in that last pack, but very nice job, guys. Opened up some a lot of cards, hit some really nice rookies. So let's see, just a quick recap. Not a rookie, but obviously a great card. Got the Pavin Smith, Gavin Lux, Randy Rosarina, Bobby Witt Jr., Maximo Acosta, Dylan Carlson, Walker Bueller, Marco Luciano, and Bowman Chrome, Jake Boble. So, what do you guys think? Pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, well, I hope everyone enjoyed watching us
Wait, why
open
is there the gold on that?
the rookie explosion box. And we look forward to next month, right, guys? All right, everyone have a good one.
70.